There is another novelty for this year's EVA. Minox is presenting the new ZX5 Riflescopes line, which has a 30mm main tube and a 5 times magnification. So there are, after all, 7 models from 1 to 10 by 24 up to 5 to 25 by 56. They all are available with or without illumination. You have the BDC reticle, you have the Plex reticle, and from June on you will have the German 4 reticle. We have a motion sensor, so the illumination will drop off after you change the position of your scope. So this is a great feature within a price range starting with about 640 euros German RRP.